Good morning, my cutie quilting friends. This is your closet quilter, and I am almost done with my 10 Sisters Easy Piecing Grid beautiful vintage quilt. I have about this much more to go down here, and I am thrilled. For those of you that think it's too hard to deal with big quilts, I'm doing this with a torn shoulder, so it's not that hard. It's really not. It can be done, and it's much easier than on a table, pushing things through. I'm doing it on an easy piecing grid quilt, which has fusible interfacing on it, and I use a 18 needle. I happen to be using a 110-18 on this my machine. I have a PQ 1500S, and I'm using my Grace speed controller instead of a foot pedal. See, on the Cutie frame. So here we go. I'm just gonna finish this up. It's quite nice, and I have my G2 handles, which make it nice. I don't have to clip the bottom if I don't want to. On this particular piece, I'm not clipping the bottom because I need it to flow so that I don't get puckers. You get a lot less puckers using the G2. If you have problems with puckers on your quilts. Basting it will do wonders for that. On this one, I have to kind of do a combination of lines to get the seams and loops to just tack it down and just a swirl. I'm doing whatever I have to do on this one. It's really bumpy and lumpy, and because I didn't do the easy piecing grid correctly, really. It's a lot easier if you just fuse the panels together and then glue and fuse your pieces. But I didn't do that. So I am doing whatever I have to do to keep this thing quilted down so that it looks good and stays for a long time. It's really heavily quilted. I have to say, much more heavily quilted than I would normally do, because the more you quilt, the stiffer it can be. But I have been assured by Carmen Geddes herself that once you wash this a few times, it really softens up, no matter how much you quilt it. So I'm looking forward to that, because this is a gorgeous quilt. It's a mosaic pattern. It's free on her website, 10 Sisters, or Carmen Geddes Quilts on Facebook. She has all her links there. She's awesome. And this is gorgeous, gorgeous stuff you can make. If you like the postage stamp look, they have all kinds of sizes. This happens to be 2.5, 2-inch finished. I love it. I absolutely love this. So that's all I can say. I'm having to really be careful about this. There's a pucker. Couldn't be helped. That's okay. I just want to get it quilted. My next one's going to be perfect because I'm going to do it the right way, and probably bigger pieces. That way there's not so many seams. There's so many seams on this. It was difficult, but the Cutie made it a lot easier, a lot easier. So now I'm just going to shift and finish this up. I've got, like I said, maybe 2 more shiftings to go, and I'll be done. And then I'll trim it and bind it and wash it. And this one will be done. And then I'm working on a Lori Holt chicken quilt, chicken salad. And I have some more ideas for Lori Holt. I have some blocks I'm working on that I'll show you. It's really fun. But if you get a chance, you go check out Lori Holt, her applique method. Awesome! I love it. And I just love quilting on my Cutie frame. So I hope you have a great quilting day, and thanks for stopping by the Closet Quilter. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure and comment. Tell me how you're doing, what things you're doing. Show pictures. I love to see pictures and videos. If you can make videos, make videos. We love it. And have a great quilting day. Bye for now from the Closet Quilter.